Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build the impressive Lego BMW M2. First, familiarize yourself with the model's overall design and its key characteristics, like its sporty lines and detailed interior. Next, ensure you have all the required Lego bricks and any specialized tools ready. Finally, we will meticulously follow the official instruction manual, taking each step carefully to ensure a perfect and enjoyable building experience. Let's get started on this exciting project. Before diving into the build, let's get organized. A crucial first step is to sort your Lego pieces by color, size, and type. This will save you a lot of time and frustration later on. Then, locate the main base plate and all the essential chassis components that form the car's sturdy foundation. We will then carefully begin assembling this foundational structure, ensuring every connection is firm and precise. This solid base is vital for the entire model's integrity. Now, let's bring the BMW M2 to life by constructing its core features. We will carefully attach the detailed engine block and assemble the intricate interior elements, including the dashboard and seats. Next, focus on building the car's distinctive body panels and aerodynamic parts, paying close attention to their unique curves and angles. Finally, we will install the wheels and the suspension system, giving your model its authentic stance and functionality. Each step adds to the realism. We are almost there. For the final touches, meticulously add all the small decorative elements, such as lights and mirrors, and carefully apply any included stickers to enhance the model's authenticity. Take a moment to double-check all connections throughout the entire build, ensuring everything is stable and securely attached. Once complete, your magnificent Lego BMW M2 is ready to be proudly displayed. Enjoy showcasing your impressive craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.